I'm going to be installing two accessories here on my Model Y, and it's perfect for the holiday season. And just know that whenever you use my special promo code JFM at evbase.com, don't worry, I will drop all of that in the description box below. You can get up to 26% off of any accessory off of your Tesla and EV. So let's get right to the install. So first, we're going to be installing this center console tray organizer, and this is so easy because it's going to snap in. It's no screws, no tools needed. The only thing that you need is pretty much the hardware that they give you. And also inside, whenever you get it, you're going to get some flaps. So the little flaps here that says Y, I'm not sure if you can see it there. This is for your older model. So we're just going to put that aside, which we are going to use those. And we also have one that says N3, and I guess the newer models. You also have directions, but hey, you don't really need these if you're watching this video. And this is great because this is going to give you organized storage space right here under the screen. So it's literally just going to go right in here. The first thing that we're going to do is take the back of the console. You see where the letters are? Make sure that's going up, and you're just going to pop one of them in there. And I'm going to take the Y because this is an older model. I'm just going to plug that right in there and make sure that it's snug there. Now we want to make sure that this is down first. We're going to put the little thumbs. Can you see the thumbs there? And we are just going to push that back and push it up. And now what we're going to do is lock this thumb in place on this side. You just want it snug there. And over here on the other side, we're just going to do almost like the same thing. So we are going to push it in just like that. And there we go. So you can see right here that my phone is going to still go on the charger. I know that's maybe a question that you have, but it is going on the charger under there. And I'm going to give this a nice little snug, and you see it is in there firm. And again, that was no screws or anything. So this is a great place to put like gum, your sunglasses, all those little things that wander off. And now what we're going to do in the back seat, we have one of these rear seat storage box slash trash cans. And this is great because this is ideal for whenever you have kids, you have pets, or you have those adults that act like kids that still need a trash can in the back seat. We all know somebody like that, right? You can see already it's like Velcro here with double-sided sticky stuff. Well, I guess it wouldn't be double-sided, but it still has the adhesive here. But we're not going to use that. That's in case if you wanted to use it somewhere else in your car. This Velcro will stick right on the carpet on your car. And the only thing that I'm going to do with this is, well, I'm going to come right down here where you see the carpet, and I'm just going to stick it right in. And as you can see already, I'm giving it a little tug, and it is staying in place. And you do also have a top, and this top can go right on top, and it's fitting in very nice and snug. So this is how it look in the back seat, and it look amazing. This is great for candy wrappers, small things that the kids or people want to throw away, and it keeps it all off the floor. Now that back seat looks cleaner than it ever has. So there you have it. You can get those two accessories or any accessory for your Tesla or EV when you use the special promo code JFM at evbase.com. Don't worry, I will leave all of that down in the description box below, and that way you can get your Tesla road trip ready, not just for the holidays, but all year long. And I will see you in the next video.